Hello and welcome to this MATLAB workshop. My name is Gurmanjeet Singh, but you can just call me Gurman. I'm the current Vice President of the Chico State IEEE student branch, uh, and Randall here is our president. Now, to start off, I'll get right into what MATLAB actually is. So, MATLAB essentially is a programming language and a numerical computational environment developed by MathWorks, and MATLAB can be used for matrix manipulations, different implementations of algorithms, as well as plotting functions and data. Now, this really comes in handy later on, for example, when you're working with Bode plots. Now, within this workshop, you will learn how to perform these different matrix and vector operations, as well as just generic numerical algebra through MATLAB as well. Now, we will also explore the application of MATLAB within your individual academic careers, as well as the industry after you graduate. Now, to start off, I'll list off the goals of these videos. So, this video will help you through the installation process for MATLAB, but later on, we'll cover the syntax, the different math functions, variables, plottings, the layout, as well as a brief introduction to how vectors and matrices are manipulated within MATLAB. And after we're done covering all these basics, we will actually do some examples in filter design, time to frequency transformations, as well as different functions as well. Now, to start off with the installation, this link should be provided in the description of this video, but if it is not, what you can always do is just go to whatever browser you have and just type in MATLAB and open up MATLAB. And since I'm assuming the people watching this video are Chico State students, what you would want to do is click for students and click check for access, because currently, as of right now, 2021, Chico State does own a license to MATLAB, which means that all the students within Chico State, well, the engineering students within Chico State also have this license as well. So you can manipulate, well, not manipulate, you can use this to your own advantage and learn about this essential skill, which is going to be really useful within industry. Now, to start off, what you would want to do is just type in your university's name and your school email, your Wildcat email, and just submit. And what MATLAB should do is send you or your Wildcat email a link. This link will direct you to a different site with the license displayed on that site, as well as a option to install the installer for MATLAB. Now, what you would want to do is actually install the installer, which shouldn't take that long. And after the installer is installed, what you will want to do is just open up the installer, and the first thing it should ask you to do is sign in. Now, what you want to do is just sign in with your school email and password, assuming that you used that when you created your MathWorks account. And once you have signed in, it will prompt you to choose like a bunch of products. There'll be a lot of products listed, but what you would want to actually choose as of right now is just MATLAB and Simulink. Now, you can install the other products right now if you have the space and the time to wait through the installation process, but for a faster installation, you can just install MATLAB and Simulink as of right now, and you can always install different products later on as well through the add-on explorer within MATLAB. We'll actually do an example with this right after this as well. So after the installation is finished and everything is dandy, what you would want to do is open up MATLAB. So I'll do that real quick. I actually should have a MATLAB instance open. So you've opened up MATLAB, and what I'll show you guys now how to do is like install these different products while MATLAB is already installed. So what you would want to do is you would see these three different tabs at the top. You would want to click apps and click get more apps. Now what this would do is launch the add-on explorer, and after this loads in, what you can see is right here you'll see the search bar. You can search for whatever add-on you might need that MATLAB supports later on, but you can also manage your different add-ons as well. So right now I don't really have that many add-ons installed, only the essentials, but what we want to install right now is this control systems toolbox. So what you would want to do is just type up control systems toolbox. No, yeah, there we go. Control systems toolbox, and get the first one. What this is useful for is essentially creating Bode plots. Later on, especially when you're in EEC E311, you're going to be working with filter design, and with that comes transfer functions and bug plots. And this is going to be very essential when you actually start doing that. And this is going to be essential for us as well later on when we're going to be going through these different examples of filter design. But as of right now, this is all that you would need, and the installation process is pretty much complete as of right now. And in the next video, what I'll cover is the basic syntax and the layout of MATLAB, and then I'll get into actual vector and matrix manipulations within MATLAB as well. So see y'all in the next video.